What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm editing one right now. We're in December and I'm editing a video from like October or something. Pretty backed up. It's a little time consuming, this whole editing thing, and sometimes I just don't have the motivation. Got my pre-workout. I'll work out after this. I'm gonna just finish uploading this and schedule it for today and go downstairs real quick and work out. Pretty much done. Now we get to go downstairs. The fun part. We got these two new toys, a little Grom and a Kawasaki 125. I swear I'm just like a kid still. Basically a grown man, but still a kid. But these things are pretty cool. This one I might sell to my homie because he wants it, and then I'll probably ride that one. He'll ride in that one, I'll ride in that one. But they're 125s. Really cool little bikes. I've had one before. I've had a Grom before. This is a 2021, and that's a 2017. I actually do like the Grom headlight over this one. This one looks like the older Grom, the generation before that, but I like this over that. But this one's newer, so oh well. It's still cool. Probably put some little modifications onto this. But let's get on with the show. I'm gonna just do some quick chest. Probably do push-ups. Dumbbell press on the bench. I don't want to do the barbell today. And then flies on this thing, lower, upper, middle push-ups, and yeah. And probably get on the treadmill after that, but we'll see. Let's get it going. We're done with the workout. Got rid of the bumper. This is a 97 SC300 or SC400. Looks better than the 93, so but I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna just take it to the guy, and then we're gonna take a trip to Home Depot to get some hardware for the little loaders. We got the box man again, little helper. So let's go. Feels good to have a truck with when you need it. Not bad. You already know what time it was. It's monster time, food. So I need to get hardware for these bolts because it only has, it's hard to see, but there's one in there and there's another one on this side, but I think it's only missing, I think it's missing one on the back and one on the front. So I'm gonna get those, go to Home Depot and get that. And then there's a bolt on the side that holds the seatbelt here, mounts up to the side. Oh, here we go. You see, this goes in there, this goes right here, and it just holds it. So I need to get one of those too, but should be easy. Home Depot usually comes through with the bolts. This is pretty cool, the little pump, like a little bolts right here, whatever. So let's get to it. This is the bolt that we're missing. I'm gonna just get like 3 or 4 of them just in case. And messed up, and I don't have the socket to loosen the side bolts, so I'm gonna just go get these. That's fine.
We need seatbelts anyways.
You're gonna die like a man, or I see. Made it to Home Depot. Pretty clean 350. Pretty clean, pretty clean. They don't have them zinc plated over here. Oh, zinc plated right here. I'm gonna copy Tommy F, yeah. M8 by 125, I think is the one. What is it? So they don't have many options. Little hard time trying to find these damn things. M8 by 125.
16 mil? The same length? Yeah. I think these might work. So.
We're getting 4.
Let's see.
Man, I want one. This one will be cool, but I definitely don't have the garage space. But Toolbox convinced me to get one of these. 400 bucks. I've seen it before for like close to 500. Well, it was 429, but I remember I saw it in the other Home Depot for 5 something. But it's pretty cool. Way bigger than mine's. I have one like that. I have one like this. It's just small. I could fit the drill and everything in here. Shove the battery packs so it's not all on the side. I think it's pretty good. We're waiting on the guy to come help us out. So I am gonna end up getting that toolbox. It's a little used beat, not a big deal because I'm gonna beat it up either way. Telling me to roll it up, see if they give me a discount.
We did a job. We did a job.
It's not bad, just little.
This one is creased.
You can see right here, yeah. Little stuff right here, but it's not the worst. But I mean, it's for tools. But you know how us Mexicans are, trying to get a good deal. Yeah, the handrail is all, or the little hand shield is all beat.
Those are another little thing right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of little things and stuff.
When I bought the little small that I put in my garage,
Oh, you got it at the Mac, no?
no, in the garage I have a little small one that I bought at Lowe's. But they just kept lagging once you bring it. Oh, it's because it's up on top and you have to bring it down and then somewhere. But I waited for like 40 minutes.
That guy was pretty cool. So I got $30 off of for the little rashes that I had, which is cool. Whatever. I was still gonna buy it no matter what. Didn't have any new ones. And then he gave me $50 off because I applied for a credit card and I got accepted. So, no interest for 6 months. I'm down with that. I'll go get the truck. Gonna load this bad boy up. I wasn't coming for this for sure, but it was a deal I couldn't say no to. What do you think about the little toolbox?
It's pretty cool.
Not bad, huh? Especially for the price. I mean, it was like
pretty fair. So
I got $80 off. That guy was pretty cool. I thought he was gonna be more of a, I don't know. He didn't look very nice at first,
they're
but
pretty serious. So
yeah,
we're like, we're not gonna get a deal, but Black Friday deals are still happening. So
$350 out the door, 6 months, no interest. Who's gonna say no to that?
yeah, it's not bad. I paid more for other
I'm gonna send
name brand shit that you don't need. So
$40 a month. It's not bad. I'll pay it off. Well, we already messed up. We didn't get no straps, so it's against this thing.
don't worry, I'll hold it. Nah, we're
Yeah.
good. We're good.
This seat is all the way bolted up. It still rattles a bit, but I think it's from the rails itself. Can you guys hear that?
Yeah, 'cause
I
all the
think-
bolts are tight. So.
Yeah, we tightened up all these brackets for the seat, so I think it's literally just a slider rail, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna just tighten this one up too. That's that. This one doesn't have any play in the, well, actually, do you know why this one doesn't have any play? Because it doesn't have rails. The other one has rails. This one does not move at all. It's just literally the where it mounts from, but it has no slider rail, so that's why probably this one doesn't rattle. That's where that one's rattling from. But it's much better for sure. Hell yeah. Wiggle test. You just need that seatbelt one. I'll be back later. Now the easy part to unload this. Get it ready to go in here. Move this out of here. Oh, the wheels locked. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff that I have over here. What is this? Mud guards. Extended lug nut, studs, not lug nuts, studs. And clay bar. A little harder than I thought, but a little easier at the same time. Should fit there. Let's turn around that way. From where? Well, this came off of it.
Whoever assembled it. Has to be from a wheel or something.
Damn Home Depot. We don't need it anyways. Pretty good. Nice and flush with this thing. Looks like it came with a house. Yeah.
I didn't end up loading this thing up on the Ferrari.
I'm gonna remove this. I have those now, so I don't need this one. The wires will at least be there now. Pretty cool. She's looking pretty good. We took this thing off, so to make a little more clearance on this side, push it against this. This is gonna be a little in the way, but not too bad. We'll just transfer all the tools, and yeah, I don't know why I'm excited about this. All this that you see on the top was literally stored. So the goal is to fit everything in there, and then fit this with which is my drill and impact, all that stuff in there. So I'll be happy if everything fits. Gonna put all the mats in here. My girlfriend wasn't too happy because she said I already had a toolbox, even though that thing's tiny.
Nah, bro, that's a tool chest.
Pretty much. Let's put these in. Fits like a glove. I need more power tools. Need like another, oh, my grinder fits here, and I need like a little Dremel in a 3/8 little impact. So now to see where to put stuff, I'm gonna have Mr. Box guide me where to put stuff. He's a tool man guy over here. Screwdrivers on the top or screwdrivers in the center or what? Where? Where?
You're gonna need the organizers, you're gonna need socket trays.
Oh, those things. Yeah. I'm not that organized, so I'm not gonna buy that. We got Boombox organizing this shit. He said I need more sockets and wrenches. I have enough. What are these things called again? Screwdrivers. So I need more wrenches and sockets.
Oh yeah, just miscellaneous shit.
Yeah. So we're pretty much done. Everything is transferred from this box to that box. Everything else in here is like trash. Little stuff I left in there. I'm starving, so I'm gonna just clean up after I eat. I found a lot of stuff that I didn't know I had, or I forgot I had. I thought I had lost, but yeah, that's gonna be it. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna Boombox. I'm gonna help them. I'm gonna give them this box, and then yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. What do you guys think about the new add-on to the house? So everything is set up. I definitely have way more space for more tools. There's a couple of things that I wanted to buy, or I want to buy, but I didn't buy it just because that other toolbox that Boombox took, it was super tight already. And if you guys saw, I kept putting stuff on the top, and I just kept leaving it, and I didn't want to do that. But we still have some space in here. I could probably put this somewhere else, but it's not bad at all. It definitely fit way more stuff. For 350 bucks, I think it was a good deal. I'm happy with it. But I cleaned it up. Boombox took the other toolbox. I'll get my ass on the treadmill, and yeah. But this is when I'm gonna wrap it up. Definitely recommend this toolbox for anyone. Got it at Home Depot, so yeah. Go ahead and see you guys in the next one.